And what we're going to do is time it. We're starting right now. That means the unwrapping. And then we'll see how long it takes us to do this ball. First, she's got to roll it all out. Oh, that's a big ball there. All right, so we're 31 seconds in. We'll see how long it takes. All right, let me get it to 1. All right, we're ready to go. Cutter. Smush it out. Oh, she's covering that so it keeps it moist. Doesn't dry out because it takes a while to do this. Okay, ready? And this is a workout, by the way. Going clockwise. Here we go. 2 times through 1. Switches to 3. 2 times on 3. Switches to 5. And it gets tough here. Now it starts to get hard to turn. Goes to 6. Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
So what's it working, your body parts?
Oh, your shoulder.
Shoulders?
Yeah.
Is that twice on 6?
Yeah, that's twice on 6.
Yeah, this size is more manageable.
And then we got to switch this and put it over here. And that's our fettuccine, that's spaghetti. And then I got to switch spots with it. All right, here we go. This is the easy part, really. This is like, you don't even feel it. I'm just turning it. My left arm's getting a much bigger workout than my right. Bam. Pull that out. And switch spots. Put it back in on this one. Switch this to 1. Bring it in a little bit so you can see it cutting it. There we go. Okay, here we go. Wrapping it up. Smushing it out. We're trying to break a record.
I'll try to do
We're gonna
it
get
kind
a
of a
gold-
rectangle so it comes out,
Okay.
you know, in a big spot square.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Switch to 3. 5. Getting on it now. Wow. 6. This is where it gets tough. Oh, 7. You want to go 7? You want to try one on 7 and see how it comes out?
No, it's just more
Oh my
work.
God.
Yeah. Is that 2 on 6?
That's, I think, one.
Was it 2 or not? I think it was.
Oh, you think so?
I'm looking at
I lost track.
Yeah.
Woo! Shoulder workout. All right, going. This is like where we get a break. I keep hitting your arm. Okay. Woo. Flip this back. Flip this to 1. All right, we're ready to rock. Okay, now we gotta cut another chunk off. Get in position. Yeah, that was a good idea, making it like a triangle.
Not a triangle.
I mean, a rectangle. I'm going clockwise. Oh, it's went the wrong way. Going to 3.
Does that have to be tightened at the bottom again?
I don't know. I'll check after we get this one through. I think it's just that it's really moving it. That's 1. 2. 6. Here we go. Actually, it's not really. It's the top that's moving.
The what?
It's the upper part of it that's making that funny noise.
I'm not talking about the noise. I'm talking about it not being stable on the counter.
No, because I'm holding this and that's not moving.
Yeah, maybe it just has to be tightened more.
Whew, that's it. Whew, that's a workout. Oh, it's a shoulder workout, like a son of a gun.
That's what I'm saying. You want me to do it?
No. I do the hard stuff. You do the intricate, detailed stuff. Oops, sorry. Damn.
Any rest, honey?
Nope. I want to keep going. Getting a good workout.
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I'm not hurting, for certain. Let me tell you how long it's been going. All right, so we've gotten about almost half of that. So in about 7.5 minutes.
Wow.
All right, here we go. I'm ready. I'm already turning. I'm already spinning. Turn that into a triangle again. Oh, wow. I'm going right-handed, and I think my left hand might be stronger. 3.
It definitely helps with 2 people doing it.
Oh, yeah, it's much easier. Here comes the hard one, 5. This is
Yeah,
where it
this has
slows
to be
me down a
tightened
little
up.
bit.
Tighten that up with your hand.
Okay, got tighter. Doesn't matter, I'm just...
Still moving.
Smell good? All right, let's go to 6. Here we go. One more time through. And this is not sped up, folks. This is how fast I do it. I'm just super quick. Oh, God. Got it. Whew. Back to 1.
I think we only have like 3 things left, you know?
3 things of what?
3 balls to cut, 3 pieces.
Oh, I think you got 4.
You think?
Yeah.
I think it's 3.
You got to pick the pace up.
Right.
Trying to set a world record. Doing 1 ball in less than 15 minutes. Will we do it? I don't know. Okay, I'm ready to go. I already got it in 1. Semolina Belgium. Pull that in a little bit deeper so they can see you cut it. Yeah, that's it right there. So we've got at least 3 more. 3 more, right?
Do 3 out of it. See what happens.
Okay. Okay, we're making that into a round square. Square that up. There we go. I'm already spinning. On 1. Going to 3. I'm not stopping. I'm just going to keep going through the whole thing. We're going to 5. It gets tougher at 5. Oh my God.
That's only because I skipped 4.
Oh.
That's the only reason why you're doing this, you know?
Now we're going to 6. This is the toughest one. Oh my God. Get in there. Get it out. Trying to break a record. Oh no. I wonder how many revolutions I did. Oh. Woo. Woo. That was a workout. Okay. Oh. Luckily I get a break in between. That would be a nightmare to have to do it.
I know.
We got enough room in there?
No.
I have to do another tray. Okay, moving the tray.
Don't know where I went. I think it's
Yeah,
here.
we just dusted. Dust the whole village.
Well, they definitely got sticky with Christine, so I'm going to stop the stickiness.
Okay. We're burning up time here. We're not gonna break our record if we don't hurry.
I have to keep that from sticking. Guess I'll just use half a tray here, right? You would think.
Probably, yeah.
Oh, I forgot we did them all.
No, we didn't do them all. Bam. Okay.
Yay, we're almost done.
All right, we got 2 more to do. Let's see how much time we got to make that 15-minute break. All right, we're at 13 minutes. Can we do it?
Oh my gosh,
Oh my God. We're at 13.
that's a record.
Here we go. Oh God.
Big 15.
3. 5. What happened? Here's where it gets tough.
Yeah. Well, is it really like tough, or you just can't really do it?
Oh, I'm extremely strong. I don't know if you know that or not.
Is that
Let's go to 6. Here we go. This is the top one. This is where I really got to put the muscle in. Wow, look how wide that is. That looks good. Oh my God. One more time through. Here we go. Oh my God. That was perfect. You made that one perfect, honey. Woo. Oh. Woo. We might make it. We might make it.
one more? Holy shit.
All right, here we go. Whew. Switch. Okay, ready.
Oh my God, last one.
Ready, last one. Last one. How many seconds have we got left? Oh my God, we're not making the 15-minute mark.
No?
No, we're going to end up being under 20 though, I think. Maybe.
All right, it's gonna be hard.
Here we go. 3. All right, here comes the power one. Power move. He's coming into the finish line. He's finding in that second breath.
My whole right arm, forearm is going to be bruised.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Back up, back up.
Oh, no. Oh,
You
no.
backed up too much. No, you backed up too
Oh,
much.
fuck.
Keep going.
Let's just go through. Oh, shit. That'll happen sometimes. Oh, here we go. Watch your arm. One more time through. We can do it. We're going to get it under the 20-minute mark. It really would be under 20 minutes, but we had to move the trays. Oh, you want to do that one? Oh my God. Oh, God. Whew. Oh my gosh. I think we'll get it under 20 minutes though. So it's about 40 minutes to do those 2 balls. Oh. All right, here we go.
I need more semolina over here.
Semolina. We should sell handmade pasta for $100 a pound. Because it takes an hour to make a pound.
All right, unhook that.
Oh
thing
my
for me.
God. We done?
Yeah.
We got to show the folks what we're doing.
I wonder if it will help if I get it in.
All right, we did it in 18 minutes. Not bad, huh? How do you like these flowers? All right, now I got to undo this. So I got to go this way, I think. Or is it this way? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's loosening it. So I go clockwise to loosen it. And that pops right out of there. That's what it looks like. And that's, here. Get that on Amazon. Bam. Also, you get that on Amazon too. And usually this comes with the crank and the clamp.
I'm going to turn those over too
Woo, look at that.
and hope that I can.
So here's our pista. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing? You flipping them over?
Brush that off.
All right, she's gonna clean up this mess. All right, now we just gotta cook it. All right, so this is, we put 2 full trays in there. And it's gonna take what, 10 minutes to cook?
No, it's like when it starts boiling again, then it's like 4 minutes. Okay, that's done.
Okay, that's done. Ooh, this looks delicious.
One of those salads.